You see, in life, some of we artists, if you know when to talk, what to talk, and how to talk. Saying, I am a Wipademus, I tell you this. It's serious. How Jabba sleep, tell them to wake up.
What you say name again?
I would have already informed your mother.
I want to hear back your name. What you say? I now come out.
And any
Shut up
social
your
media
mouth.
platform,
Shut up your mouth. You can't
I'll definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge on me.
What up about Lee Sipes? So we see Lee Sipes, it's a woman went to the Norman Manley International Airport in Jamaica trying to board a flight to go to America. Yes, man, and police got involved due to her random and boisterous outbursts in the airport and dissing up the airport workers and also dissing up the police officers. She also diss up Kartel the worst way, saying my people. This is a disclaimer. Lisa I not write it. Yeah man, she not write it. Something wrong with her upstairs. Yeah man, she's going through a mental crisis right now. So kinda see with her. Yeah man, kinda see with her. Even though some of the things them she has said, she really mean them.
I'm gonna go find Akeem and wrap up with him. Biggie. I'm gonna go find Biggie and wrap up with him. Make sure him love me. Yeah, it a tape Gaza and rape, but Gaza a pedophile. It a take a hiatus and blow them show off for me.
What blow?
Obeah.
Okay.
Blow. Gozo. Because the first blow I got is when I did the song with Lady Sir. Who you think would have vexed me get a song with
Hey, listen to me now.
What I forgot them.
Alright. Where you were jealous of Sidem?
Because every woman that he's dated, they have to come to me first.
So what was the issue with you and Shorty?
She never loved him. She loved his money. Him know say him still have to deal with me because at the end of the day, nobody no love him like me.
Baby?
Yeah?
You look amazing.
I mean that.
Full Gucci. Ooh. 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 Yes, baby. Oh. Oh. That's it.
What
One
is
Kartel.
under your nose?
Sidem.
Him know say him still have to deal with me because at the end of the day, nobody no love him like me. Not even Sidem, even though she am wife.
Realize you got around 2 cribs, you know, right? And earlier we asked you say you're pregnant.
You don't worry about Blessing.
Okay.
It's a reason why she named Blessing.
Okay. So you are pregnant?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What's the situation you and Dexter?
Me and my husband good, man. Don't worry about me and my